Hello! Welcome to the Ellis Library tutorial on the basic search process for HathiTrust. The first thing you want to do if you belong to an institution that is a member of HathiTrust is log in. While this is not necessary to use the service, it will allow you to download material in a much more efficient manner. Thus, if you want to save time, it's better to log in prior to beginning your search. The University of Missouri is a member of HathiTrust. From here, we have a couple different options. First, we need to navigate to the search bar in the middle of the screen. At this point, you'll see two tabs, Full Text and Catalog. You use Full Text if you want to search a term within the text, and you use Catalog if you want to search for a term about the text. From here, you'll be presented with your results. If you want to view the catalog record for information such as author or publisher, click the label that says Catalog Record. If the material is available for you to look at, it should have a full view link underneath the record. If you're logged in, you'll be able to download and save the material to your collection. You do not need to be logged in to view the full text. However, if you're not logged in, you'll only be able to download a single page at a time. This concludes the Ellis Library tutorial on the basic search process for HathiTrust. If you want to find out more, please go to library.missouri.edu and click the Ask the Librarian button. Thank you so much for your time, and happy searching!